Hey there, my name is Eliina, and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this short video, I want to go over how to edit the gallery details for a gallery you've already uploaded to your account. With this gallery selected, let's go over here and click More. From the drop-down, let's click Edit Gallery Info. Here, this slide-out bar will appear to the right. We're going to be able to see a couple of details here, such as creation date, the last modification date, and also the access settings. Here, we'll be able to edit the gallery title, and we'll see that reflected right away over here. We'll also be able to add a gallery description if we like to. We'll also be able to change the shoot type. I'm going to keep it as nature and wildlife though. We'll be able to set a shoot date, and we can add some tags. Alright, so that's it for how you would be able to edit the gallery details of an existing gallery you've already uploaded. Please reach out if you have any questions on this or any other topics, and we will always be glad to help.